Okay, we're here now to rescue a little dog who has had 3 puppies in the caves just here by the sea. We've been feeding her for about a week now, trying to gain her confidence in us. It has worked. The only problem is to take the puppies, to manage to take the puppies out of the cave, which is very small and narrow. So I hope I'll fit in. So if you follow me down here, I'll give her a call and see if she'll come out. She recognizes my call and whistle and hopes she's here. Hello, girl. Come on. There's a good girl. There's a good girl. There's a good girl. Come on then, let's go. What's the matter? You been waiting here for me? There's a good girl. Oh, it's a good girl. Okay. And this I've called her Ruby. Okay. And she's a little thing. Reports came to us that she's been astray here in this area since July of this year, and wandering around the whole area. So anyway, she crawled into the cave and had her puppies. So let me put her in the car whilst we go and get the puppies. Okay, we don't want her to fret when we're there trying to crawl into the cave. So let's go. Come on, sweetie. Let's go. So we're taking the basket now to put the puppies in, and I hope we'll be successful. So let's go through here. It's a bit rocky and steep in there and narrow, but I'm going to crawl in. Let's go through here. Over here. You better bring that little thing here to me. So that Ella, give that to me. Right, come on. Let's go. Let's see how far in she is. I'll give you each puppy. Let me just have a look. Oh God! Oh my God! How are we going to get in? Puppies are wedged in there. Such a small opening that it's impossible for us to reach. We may have to try and get something to grab them with. What have they got? What's he got here? Has he got anything here that we can pull them? Alright. We've called in help because we cannot get into the cave. So we've called in another help. I've called in the light brigade. Come on. Ella, I'll pick her up because she doesn't know Stavros and Yasu.
Yeah. Να στην κάσου.
Δύο αγοράκια.
Manam, oh my God, look at them. Oh, look. Oh.
Τρία αγοράκια.
They're 3 boys, 3 males. Oh, lovely. Bravo, Stavro, bravo. Oh, look at them. Their eyes aren't even open yet. Aren't they beautiful?
Τούτα είναι, ναι.
Yeah.
Ναι, τρία.
There's 3, just 3 in there. Okay, let's take them into the car where Mummy is. Thank you, Stavro. Do you want to take that as well, Alexi? That's her bedding that I put down for her. Shake it. Let's go. Bravo. Bravo, Stavro. Oh, it's wonderful. There they go. Now they're going on to the shelter. Their eyes are not even open yet.
Το έναν άνοιξαν.
Yeah. There they go. Look. Oh, aren't they pretty? Aren't they cute? Come on. Yes, beautiful. Let's go to the car hut. Okay, now we'll go and take them to the shelter. And here she is in the car looking out at us, anxiously. She's going to be very happy to see her little puppies. Come on, oh, she's sitting on the boxes, look. Stay, sweetie. Stay.
Now.
Stay, Ruby. Ruby, look. Ruby, come on, Ruby, look. It's your puppies. Come on, let's go, sit down. Here she is, yeah, just checking to make sure that they're all there. I know, they're all here, sweetheart, don't worry. Come on then, let's go to the shelter, Alex. Come on, let's go. Come on, Ruby. Come on in. Close the door, please. Come on, Ruby.
What about that?
Right, here they are. Here, sweetheart. Come on, your puppies are all settled in there. That's it. Have a sniff of them. There's a good girl. There, look at them. Aren't they beautiful? Well done, girl. Well done. There's a good girl. Okay. I know. What's the matter? There's the puppies. Look. Oh, sis. You see the puppies? I know. There's a good girl. Okay, you stay with the puppies, all right? There's a good girl. You stay here. Let's see water she's got. Let's see here. Come on. There. Okay, and actually, what we need to give her is another basket so that she can have a bit of a rest away from them, okay? Wait, sweetie. Stay.